Hey kids, today we'll learn counting from 1 to 50. Welcome to our counting adventure. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Finally, we have our last number today, 50. Great job, friends!
We had so much fun today. If you loved learning with me, please click the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye-bye.